Okay, let's talk about Unify. So we're gonna go on 10 gigabit. So this is the 10 gigabit TP-Link setup. It's 10 gigabit uh, router, 10 gigabit internet, 10 gigabit switch, and 10 gigabit LAN port RJ45 installed. So this is the two server. So I only have 4 more slot for my website I'm gonna build. So this is from my company 1 and my company 2 and so on. So another test for like IPv6 like Pi-hole or any kind of IPv6. So I'm gonna save 1 or 2 slot, and this one's 1 gigabit to my 16 gigabit LAN port, so I can do the microservice in this setup. And yeah, so we're gonna talk about the Unify 10 gigabit. So if you wanna buy the Unify, are actually the same price, but the switch kinda, how you gonna say, you can skip that part and still use the TP-Link. It still works. So that's how exactly how layer 2 switch works, and you don't need to like know what's going, just plug in, it will work in some capacity. And yeah, so like you don't have problem on this one on the switch. You can just buy the router, probably the same size, same price for TP-Link 10 gigabit. And on that, so there's no Wi-Fi on that version. I guess I forgot the name, Unifiber something like that. And if you're gonna upgrade that, there's so many like security, and the specs kind of good if you ask me. So if you're gonna want to learn on IPv6 and test the internet, the 10 gigabit, you can just go buy the TP-Link. If you're gonna go on your business or your home office, you're gonna Unify because the security risk involved in IPv6. So we're gonna go on IPv6 route. We don't know exactly how many vulnerability like exists. I'm not gonna use TP-Link on that, and that's the point of I'm saying. So IPv6, I'm not gonna use TP-Link. I'm gonna use on my daily one, but on my business, I'm gonna use Unify and so on. So that's my